Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Escape SE in agate black with grey cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch with a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has the Ford Copilot 360 Assist package, which includes voice-activated navigation as well as adaptive cruise control with stop and go. It has a reverse camera, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your cruise control with adaptive cruise control, volume, your menu for your dash, hands-free dialing, and you also have your lane keeping, which is located here. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that we can toggle through with different information and sub-menus. In the center, you have your display screen we can touch on, and so our audio, in our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, so you're going to see the map come up there. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see the backup camera view. There you go. You can go into your settings and slide through for different options, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and so forth. You have your volume and tuner, and there's your hazard lights. Down below is your fan. You've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, as well as your AC and max AC, and you're seeing the digital readout for the temperature there. And you also have a USB and 12 volt and a place to put items. Dial shifter and your electronic parking brake, auto hold, and this is if you're on an incline or you're towing, this keeps you in place. And then your different modes, you have your drive mode as you toggle through, normal, eco, sport, slippery, deep snow sand, and back around again. Auto stop start for less idle time, couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up, lots of room in there, and you've got a USB-C outlet. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls. There's a sunglass holder and grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. There's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the escape badge is your backup camera, dual exhaust. And when you're ready to open up that hatch, simply put your hand in the latch. Opens up easily, and inside it's nice and roomy. You're seeing extra carpeted mats there. There's a light off to the side, and on the other side you have your 12 volt. There's also tabs to be able to tether things, and then when you want to close it all up, simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And you very simply bring down your headrest with a push of a button, and then pull the lever at the base of the seat, and that'll bring it right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing those extra carpeted mats. And you also have anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then simply give the seat a push back up into its upright position and flip up the headrest. In the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and you've got these nice all-weather mats for easy cleanup. Some pockets on the back of the front seat, air vents in the center, and you have your USB and USB-C. Up above, hooks, handles, and lights. Glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.